In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. Gantt charts are incredibly useful tools to visualize project timelines and dependencies. They help in tracking progress and ensuring that various tasks are completed on time. So, let's dive in and see how you can create one using ClickUp. First, open your web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. If you haven't already, you will need to log into your ClickUp account. You have the option to use Google to log in, which is typically quicker and more convenient if you have a Google account linked to ClickUp. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the ClickUp dashboard. Look for your projects and click on the one labeled Project 1. This will bring you to the main project view where you can see a list of tasks. In this view, you'll find a button labeled View. Click on this to access different ways you can see and manage your project's data. Now, this is where we're going to access the Gantt view. When you click on View, a selection of different views will appear, including List, Board, and Gantt. Click on Gantt. This changes your project view into a timeline-based format that displays your tasks across their respective scheduled times. Next, if you have specific tasks you want to focus on, you can click on a task like Task 3. Doing this will highlight and allow you to manage that task more closely while still showing its place in the larger timeline. With the Gantt view now active, you might want to make use of another handy feature called Show Slack Time. Click on this option to see slack time displayed in your chart. Slack time indicates any potential delays your project can handle without impacting the deadline, offering better insights into timelines and task management. Following that, let's customize your Gantt chart. Personalizing the chart according to the specifics of your project can be incredibly beneficial. If you notice a task without a set date, click on No Date Set for this task to adjust that. This ensures all tasks are dated correctly, maintaining an accurate timeline. Considering task additions, select Add Task to include a new task in your project. You may want to assign a name to this task to define it clearly within your schedule. Further for ski, if you need to break down tasks into smaller components, you can create subtasks by clicking Create Subtask. Give your subtask a descriptive name to ensure clarity in your workflow. For specific focus or differentiation, using task highlights is possible. By clicking Highlight, you can emphasize certain parts or timelines on your Gantt chart, making them stand out visually. This can be especially helpful during team meetings or reviews. Lastly, check the dates on your tasks. By clicking directly on the date range like APR 7, APR 7, you can reallocate or verify the timing as needed, ensuring your overall task schedule aligns well with the project's goals. By following these steps, you'll master the art of creating a comprehensive Gantt chart in ClickUp, helping you to keep your projects well organized, timely, and more manageable. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!